Do you want to know 2 secrets about the speaker of Redmi Note 8? Secret 1. We gave it a flagship level speaker. It uses a super linear speaker and supports Smart PA, which produces sound that is both loud and clear. When playing music, the Redmi Note 8 can reach a higher decibel level and produces clearer sound compared to competing smartphones in the same price range. Secret 2. Thanks to the powerful speaker, the sound waves emitted by the Redmi Note 8 can even remove dust. Easily remove the dust from the speaker port of your Redmi Note 8 in just 4 simple steps. Step 1. Enter the system settings. Step 2. Click on Additional Settings. Step 3. Select Clear Speaker. Step 4. Click to clear speaker. Enjoy an amazing audio and video experience thanks to the incredible performance of Redmi Note 8 speaker.